Hey guys, I have good news for you. I'm here to tell you that you have to stop searching for ways to make money online. I have the solution to your problem. So please, watch the video and you'll understand why.
Hey, Mark Nelson here. I want to give a short testimonial for the One Funnel Away Challenge. See, I'm just finishing mine up. And this was unstinking believable. See, I got to be able to be trained by 3 of the top online marketers on how to build a funnel. All the intricacies, how to set up the headlines or how to set up your hook, how to tell your story inside, and then the offer. I didn't know any of that stuff. It was just unbelievable. It's changed my life because I got to put together my very own funnel that's going out and making my business grow. So we have a new One Funnel Away Challenge coming up soon. I would suggest you grab on and take it because I'll be there and I know other marketers are going to be there too. It's such a great community. So don't wait any longer. Sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge.